In this video, I will share what I think is the very best side hustle for college students. If you are heading back to school for the fall quarter or semester, and you are looking for a simple way to make extra money in very minimal time, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I actually work this side hustle myself, even though I'm way past college age. I wish I had something like this when I was in school. Looking back, it seemed like I never had enough extra money or free time either. Hey, please be sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week about making extra money. Also, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button too. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I do read and respond to all of them. So it's no big mystery. As if it wasn't expensive enough already, college students spend a small fortune on additional expenses beyond tuition, room, and board. Books and supplies, transportation, clothing, laundry, entertainment, and more, they all add up. And I know when I was in college, I sure didn't have the free time to take on a job too, to try to cover all these expenses. And that's why the side hustle I want to share can be ideal for college students. It's simple, it takes very little time, just a few hours per week at your convenience, and you can make a significant income. It's something anyone can do, no previous experience is needed. This side hustle is all done online. There are no phone calls to make, no bugging your friends. It is not one of those MLM things. And because it's all online, you can do it whenever you want, even if it's 3 in the morning. It's what's called affiliate marketing. That just means you promote someone else's product or service and get paid. There are no delivery or customer service hassles to worry about, nothing to inventory. Our team will give you your own online marketing system for free. It's made up of a landing page where people request more information, a sales page that does all of the selling, and then a series of emails to send out, all on autopilot. You will not have to create anything. It's all done for you. Your sales funnel will be just like the one I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. We will teach you how to get tons of traffic to your sales funnel for free. There are no tools or systems that you need to buy. We have a great online training website that you can access 24/7 with dozens of how-to videos. And talking about simple, in this side hustle, many new people make money their very first day, and even better, you can make long-term passive or recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month for the sales that you make each day. Imagine getting paid months from now for the sales that you make today. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds. There's no waiting for a check in the mail. And I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. It's so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. To learn more about this side hustle and start making money today, go to our website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.